Hello, beautiful. If you watch our last video, then you already know something that changed everything. Your hair is not the problem, your body is. But that leaves us with an even bigger question. If my body is the problem, why? If my body is the problem, why? Why will my own body stop investing in my hair? What will allow my crown to become thinner? My edges to recede? My shedding to increase? Why the rest of my body seems to keep functioning? That almost feels unfair. Somebody. But today, I want to show you something absolutely amazing. See, because your body is not working against you. Oh no, Queen. It's actually trying to save you. Once you understand today's lesson, I promise you will never look at your hair loss the same way again. In our previous lesson, we talked about one powerful truth. Hair is usually the messenger, not the problem. How many of you remember that? Today, we are talking the next step. We are going inside the decision-making process of the human body. See, because your body is making thousands of decisions every second. Where should nutrients go? Which tissue needs repair first? Which organ needs protection today? And unfortunately, beautiful hair is not always at the top of the list. Let's discover why. Are you ready for this? See, I want you to imagine your home during a terrible winter storm. The electricity suddenly goes out. Your backup generator starts running, but he doesn't have enough power to operate the entire house. So what happened then? I'm glad that you want to know. Does it power the decorative light outside? No. Does it power the television? No. Instead, it immediately powered the refrigerator, the heating system, essential medical equipment, anything necessary to keep your family alive. Everything else, wait, according to that body. See? Now, replace that refrigerator with your body. Just imagine that for a second. Let's go to imagination land for a second. Your nutrients, your oxygen, your hormone, your energy are limited resources. And every single day, your body decides exactly where those precious resources need to go. Your body has one mission, and one mission only, to keep you alive. Not make your hair beautiful. That wasn't part of the plan. Not give you longer eyelashes. No. Thank God for the fake one though. Not make your nails stronger. It's first prioritize survival. So when your body notices chronic stress, poor sleep, low iron, blood sugar problem, thyroid dysfunction, chronic inflammation, or nutritional deficiencies, it immediately begins protecting the organ that cannot afford to fail. Your brain, your heart, your lungs, your liver, your kidney, your immune system. These organs receive first priority. Hair follicles, they have to wait according to the body principle. That is not punishment. That is a brilliant, I would say a brilliant, amazing biology. Woman. See, this is where I want many women to release the guilt they have been carrying. Maybe you have been thinking, my body is betraying me. Someone? My body has failed me. My body hates me. Some of us. Beautiful. Listen to me. Look me, Queen. None of these statements are truth. Your body has been fighting to keep you alive every single day. Does that make sense now? It has simply been making difficult decisions with limited resources. Imagine trying to feed a large family with only half of the groceries you need. Will you feel dessert first? Of course not. You will make sure everyone has enough to survive. Your body does exactly the same thing. Hair becomes a luxury. Not because it doesn't matter, oh no, but because your body believes something more urgent needs attention first. What this actually mean? So it means that chasing another miracle oil, another shampoo, another serum, another conditioner without asking why your body stopped investing in your follicles is like painting the wall of a house. Why the foundation is cracking underneath. You know, in Queen Bellis said we don't want our foundation to crack. So no. This is why the Queen Bellis philosophy has never been about chasing symptoms. No. We restore the internal environment first. Because when your body finally receives the message, I am safe now. I am nourished now. I have enough of nutrient. Something incredible began to happen. See, your body slowly started investing in your crown again. And this is normal. This is how normal is supposed to be. See, if today's lesson helps you understand your hair in a completely different way, I want you to take the next step. Right below this video is my complimentary crown restoration assessment. In just a few minutes, Queen, guess what? You will discover whether your body is currently in the reset, rebuild, or restore phase. This is very important. Once you receive your personalized results, you have the opportunity to book a discovery call with me. We will review your result together. We will review your result together and discuss what may be contributing to your hair concern. No more guessing, no Queen. That's why I'm here. Now under my watch. I don't want you to guess anymore. No more chasing random solution. Just a clear starting point. Now, there is one question we haven't answered yet. If your body has been redirecting nutrients away from your hair, why did your hair fall out immediately? Why do some women experiencing major shedding months after a stressful season? Or months after surgery? Or months after childbirth? Or months after difficult periods in life? Why does hair seem to delay? That is exactly why we are uncovering in our next lesson. Why hair loss is often the last symptom, not the first. I don't want you to miss out. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification, and in this lesson, if this lesson encourages you, I want you to do something for me. Leave the word invest in the comment section. I love to know you, where you are now, and what are you hoping for. And remember this, your hair is not the problem, Queen. No, it is the messenger. Restore the whole woman and the crown we follow. Again, this is Coach Malaika with Menopause Hair Restoration Expert, and I will see you in next lesson. Ciao for now.